Hard rock cap. See the hard rock cap. Hard rock cap. Nice, you know. See my food that come here now. Food that come in. You know. Dep on it, you know. Dep on the roast there. I live some life water. But I want split and thing and I drink I want drinks, you know. In the place, you know. Real life and them things there, you see me? Yeah man. All time bad, you know. You see me? Just I go and build my tune them, you know. You don't see it? I write some more lyrics and them things there. And put some more lyrics in my head and them things there about life. My life journey. The bunker journey, you see it? Never ended, you know. I go and big up yourself. The whole of my fans them. Keep watch my channel, you hear? Yeah man, Lionheart. You don't know. Tough, powerful in that place, you know. I go and raise it, humble myself. You don't see it? I love Georgia, I love Jamaica, you see it? They can watch the same way, but they can't lock me down, they can't stop me. But then I play, I run the place. Yeah, with my music and thing, you see me? Go and beat the drum. Big up. Big up the whole of my fans all over the world. That me I say. All time bad.